Welcome. Here is how to use PiggyVest automated savings to pay off your debt faster. You open your PiggyVest app, and once you have logged in, on your dashboard, just below the navigation bar, tap savings. So you choose your savings option. You select PiggyVest, piggy bank for your general debt repayment, or target savings to track a specific debt. So let's say, for example, piggy bank. So once you have chosen piggy bank, tap auto save settings. That's tap on settings and click on auto save settings. If you are using target savings, you go back to the home page and click on target savings and click on the plus sign and choose and create a personal target. So just as this, then you create a personal target. Name your target, such as debt payoff or whatever you like, so you stay focused on your goal. You set your preferred funding frequency to either daily, weekly, or monthly deductions. So enter the fixed amount you want to automatically deducted based on your budget. So you choose a reason why you want to pay your debt. The target amount, just as you can see on the screen, let's say 25,000. Then you choose daily. So it is calculating your target amount. If your target is 25,000 and you are choosing daily, so you pick it. So your preferred time at which the money gets deducted, you choose the time, 4 a.m. or 5 a.m., whichever time you want. Then after that, you link your primary debit card or your bank account as the funding source. Confirm your settings and tap complete or create target to activate the automation. Once the money collects automatically and reaches your payout date, withdraw the funds directly to settle your loan. That's all you need to set in your automated savings. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and best of luck clearing your debt.